This might be useful for you to copy down the formula. Shh. Don't let me roast you on the video, because then I'll give your mum a link. All right? This is the surface area of a cylinder. 2 times pi times radius squared plus 2 times pi times radius. What do you reckon D stands for here? Not quite, because it's going along this depth. It's how deep the cylinder is. So imagine a Pringles can. The D stands for how deep it goes. Okay? So get that down. The surface area of a cylinder is 2 times pi times radius squared. This little bit here tells you the area of the 2 circles on either end. And then are you going to get this down or what? You're just going to look at it? Plus 2 times pi times radius depth. That tells you the surface area of the little tube that goes around. Because a cylinder, if you look, a cylinder is 2 circles. And then what wraps around a cylinder? It's a rectangle. And what's special about that rectangle? The length of the rectangle is exactly a circle. So a circle, the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. You don't need to know that, you just need to have the formula. All I'm asking you to do today is answer these 3, A, C, and E, after I've demonstrated the first one. I'm literally going to give you the answer to A, okay? Well, not the full answer. I'm going to give you the working out. You need to find the answer on a calculator. The rest of them you find yourself. And then after you've done those 3, go back and answer anything that's still blank on your booklet. After I've recorded, we also need to talk about what are you going to do if you lose your booklet, because I need to mark your booklet and I'm allowing you to take it home. That's the idea, but some people actually want to do homework. Why would I want to stop them doing it? Okay? So let me demonstrate how to find the surface area of this cylinder here. I've given you a formula. Surface area of the cylinder equals, do I get a choice about the 2? No. Does anyone know what that symbol is? Pi. In year 10, don't make it 3.14. Use the pi button on your calculator. Can you see the pi button here in my Apple calculator? Look for the symbol. Use it. It doesn't round. It uses it accurately. Times by. If you've got something to add, come up here. What is the radius of the cylinder? 3 squared plus 2. You don't get a choice. Pi, you don't get a choice. What's the radius again? 3 times by, what is the depth of this cylinder here? 8. Work these out separately. Now, before I go on, what do I need to do here first? Do I times 2 by pi, or should I do the power first? What does BEDMAS tell you? B for brackets. There's no brackets here. Is there an exponent?
Yes.
I need to deal with this first before I do anything else. So go 2 times pi times 9. I've dealt with the exponent. Plus 2 times pi times 3 times 8. Work these 2 things out separately and then add them together. So I've shown you all the working out. You just need to spit out the answer. Underline plus underline equals something square centimeters. Once you've found that, check it with the answers in the back of the fluency section, and then continue on with C and E. I refuse. I'm not going to just give you the answers to everything. You need to do some work. I'll stop the recording.